My name is Alison Needham, and I am a content creator and recipe developer, and I have a gluten-free blog called Girl Defloured. I never even tasted a prune until a few years ago, and now that seems absolutely insane because I actually do love them. I'm not really a sweets eater, but what I love about prunes is that they're not overly sweet. They have kind of that savory undertone. In my baking, I use them any place you would use a dried fruit. So I use them in cookie recipes and quick breads and cakes. One thing that I have learned to use and love is prune puree. And it's great in gluten-free baking because sometimes, even the best gluten-free cakes can tend to be a little bit dry. And that puree adds moisture to the cake and it lasts for days. And it also adds extra structure, and that can be an issue in gluten-free baking. And then the thing that I love the most about it is you can actually reduce some of the added sugar. It just makes it sweet enough, and it gives it a real depth of flavor that's so delicious. A lot of international cuisines add dried fruit. They use dried fruit way more than Americans do. Certainly in French cuisine, in a mole, in a Mexican mole. I have a recipe on my blog for an Instant Pot chicken mole, and it adds the prunes, and they're so rich, and they just kind of create this delicious base note that really can carry the whole dish. I was late to the prune party, and you don't have to be late to the prune party. You can just join us and have a prune right now.